Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook page to Instagram. So this is very simple. You just have to open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. So here you can see three-line button which is in the top. Now click on that and go to settings and privacy. So here you can see account center at the top. Just click on that and scroll down a bit and you can see the accounts. So click on this. So now here you can add account of Facebook. Just add accounts and add account Facebook. So make sure you have logged in Facebook in your Facebook app. So this is my content if I create Facebook name. So just click on this and continue on that. So here Instagram says finish adding your account. So you just have to just click on yes, finish adding. So in this way you can just connect Facebook page to Instagram. Thanks for watching the video. Please follow for more contents and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.